Hello everyone, my name is Saskia from class 10 grade 10. Today, I am going to make avocado juice. Enjoy waiting. Use a spoon to scoop out the pus and put into the blender. Add condensed milk, sugar, and cold water or milk into the blender. Add isomalt if you want a cold and refreshing drink. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. Pour the avocado juice into a glass. Serve immediately and enjoy your fresh avocado juice. This is the end of my video about how to make avocado juice. Thank you for watching.